YouTube, it's your girl themakaylamonae, and I'm back with another video. If you are new, welcome. If you aren't new, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be doing 5 small business ideas that you can start with less than $500, period, point blank. Comment down below if y'all been like loving like the consistency, if y'all been loving like the uploads that I've been doing. I know most of my uploads have been after 5 p.m. I mean after 7 p.m. but at least I get them up, and y'all probably are seeing this video late as well. Today is Friday and I filmed it on Friday. Yesterday I just had so much stuff to do that I couldn't even record and then edit, and then by the time I was gonna do that, it was gonna be way too late. So I just decided to upload it today. So I hope that y'all enjoy it. And then I also just wanted to say, comment down below if y'all liking the entrepreneur business videos that I'm doing, because I kind of like doing these videos more than just regular sit down videos. But I do want to have like a mixture. So the next video that I do is gonna be a like more of a not business video, if that makes sense. But today, like I said, we're doing 5 small businesses to start with less than $500. I just want to put y'all on, because if you know, you know. Like, it's literally like, it's not even hard. A lot of people think that it take a lot to start businesses, and it really don't. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing that I have is graphic designing. As y'all do know, I am a graphic designer. I've been doing graphics for 3 years, and believe it or not, it takes less than $500 to start. So my course is $400, but it is currently, at the time that you're seeing this video, it's currently 50% off. So it's just $200. And then if you do have a computer, you can go ahead and get you, if you don't have a computer, you can go ahead and get you like a, I don't know if the specific software that I use, but that's me. I use a specific software, but I do know how to teach people how to make the same graphics off of their phone. So I think I'm going to come out with a course for specifically like doing stuff like that. But the specific software that I use, which is Photoshop, I teach that, and that course is 50% off. So if y'all want to take that course, it comes with everything. Honestly, it comes with a replay, it comes with a one-on-one session, it comes with Q&As, it comes with all of that. So just comment, actually not comment, I'm sorry, go ahead and check the link out in the description box, and it will just be linked in, no code needed. It will be 50% off at checkout. So yes, it takes less than $500 to start a graphic business. Graphic designing is one of the easiest businesses to start, because it doesn't take a lot of money and you can work from anywhere. So yeah. So the next thing that you can do, next small business that you can do and start with less than $500 is selling a skill. So if you do nails, if you do hair, if you do organizing, if you do cleaning, you can start all of those businesses with less than $500. If you're a hairstylist, all you need, depending on what kind of hair you do, if you do braiding, you can buy a few packs of hair, maybe like $100 worth of hair, edge control, a comb, a brush, like all of that, less than $500 in the chair, and you can start from out of your room or out of your home, or whichever one you want to do. And cleaning businesses as well, it's really easy to start. You don't need that much cleaning products. All you need to get you a nice little flyer, nice little price list, and get your cleaning supplies and get on the road, pretty much. The next business that I have is just a physical product, and basically this could be body butter, candles, anything like that, bundles, all of that, which I don't recommend buying a bunch of bundle for inventory or wigs when you first start out with selling hair, because it's just not like, the profit margins don't really match, and you know, you're just starting. So if you don't build the right anticipation, you are not going to be able to sell out, rather. But like small stuff like candles, body butter, stuff like that, you can definitely get those items from vendors and manufacturers and wholesalers, and I do sell my personal vendors list. That can be linked in the description box below. I sell waist trainer vendors, I sell It comes with a lip gloss vendor. I actually just updated with the lip gloss vendor, hair vendors, the wig vendors, a bunch of other things. So if y'all want to go get that, it will be listed in the description box below. The next small business that you can start with less than $500, and actually this kind of takes like $0 if you really want to like price match it, and that is digital products. So as y'all know, digital products is one of the most easiest ways to make passive income, which it doesn't take nothing to really start. It doesn't take nothing actually, but a computer or your phone. All you gotta do is type it up, sell it, and then you'll start seeing passive income just like that if you market it properly and do everything that you need to do to make sure that you're passively making it, you know, making the money passively. And yeah, so you can make a digital product out of anything. How to do a braid, how to twist, how to do your makeup, how to make a candle, how to anything like that you can sell to people, and they are gonna buy it because they are gonna buy it simply just because that they need that specific thing. So if somebody sold me a cookbook and the cookbook is $20, I'm gonna buy it because I'm gonna learn how to cook more. So it's a need. If you make it a need, people are gonna need to buy it, which means they're gonna buy it automatically. And the last small business idea that I have is just drop shipping. A lot of people don't do drop shipping simply just because they've heard like bad things about it, or they don't think it's easy, or what is it? They don't think that it's like, how do you explain it? Not safe, but they don't think that it's dependable, if that makes sense. A lot of people like to package their orders themselves, but drop shipping is a way. Basically drop shipping is, okay, if you have a vendor and they have bundles and you don't want to get the hair on hand, like you don't want to have the hair on hand, or you don't want to package it, you will simply put your order in through them and they will ship it out to your customer. So that's basically what drop shipping is. A lot of people don't do that, simply just because some people don't want to go through the hassle of all of that. Some people like to pack their own stuff. It's really just based off of what people want to do. But drop shipping is pretty easy. It don't take that much to start. And yeah, so that's pretty much the 5 ideas, small business ideas to start with less than $500. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. It was a pretty fast video, but it wasn't really much to go in depth. All of these 5 small business ideas you can definitely make 6 figures from, period, point blank. I've seen it before. It's very possible. So anything is possible as long as you make it possible. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.